Want to refresh your desktop look? Here are the best ways to customize your desktop background in Windows. First, right-click anywhere on an empty space on your desktop and select Personalize from the bottom of the menu. This opens the Settings panel. Next, click on Background. Under the Personalize Your Background drop-down, you have 4 distinct choices. If you choose Picture, you can select from recent images or click Browse Photos to use your own favorite file. If you prefer a clean, distraction-free setup, change the drop-down to solid color and simply click on any color swatch you like. To keep your background dynamic using your personal collection, choose Slideshow, click Browse, select a folder full of your favorite pictures, and set how often you want them to change. Finally, if you love seeing stunning new photography every day without any effort, choose Windows Spotlight. This will automatically download and update your desktop with high-quality landscape photos from across the globe right onto your background. If these quick customization choices helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe for more fast Windows tutorials.